Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome to my channel. This is Reshma and you are watching English grammar. So today we are going to learn new topic which is related although or though. What is mean by this word although? Do you have any idea? Yes, it's a very simple. See, when you have two clauses in a sentence, two clauses, I'm talking about two clauses, and if you want to join that two clauses, then you need over there conjunction, right? So these words are working as or functioning as the conjunction, which was although or though. Okay, let me give you one example. But before that, let me tell you there are many more words which are functioning the same. Means the meaning of the words or phrases are same. Look at the board. See, although, even though, in spite of, despite, these are all are used to link two contrasting ideas. See, we are talking about the contrast situations or contrast ideas. For example, I have pain, but it is not working. See, I have pain in first I said yes, I have pain. But in contrast, the second factor, the second situation or the second idea is it is not working. मेरे पास पेन तो है, लेकिन ये काम नहीं करता है, right? It is not working. So to show contrast ideas, we can use conjunction. Or which conjunction I used over here? But. But का meaning क्या है? But का मतलब है पण परंतु, right? One more example let me give you. See, I trust you but you don't. Here also we have contrast ideas, contrast situations actually ki first in first clause you said कि I trust you, मैं आप पे भरोसा करता हूँ, but you don't, but तुम नहीं करते हो. Means here by the using this conjunction, which but conjunction, by the using this conjunction we are giving importance to both situations, means both ideas. means both ideas are important for us कि I trust you but you don't, मतलब मैं तुम पे भरोसा करता हूँ लेकिन तुम मुझ पे नहीं करते हो. तो दोनों भी situations को हम ज़्यादा important दे रहे हैं. So if you want to give importance to both of clauses or both of ideas, whether it is contrast or similar, so then in this case you can use but. And say before conjunction we have to add comma. Why this comma is needed? Because see, in reading or to become its meaning, this statement meaningful, we have to take a pause. And when we use here this comma, here we can just take a pause like this. I trust you, but you don't. So for pause, we should put there comma. Okay, mind well. कभी भी कंजंक्शन जब यूज होता है तो उससे पहले अगर कॉमा लगाओगे तो ये रीडिंग के लिए भी अच्छा होगा कि हम वहाँ पे पॉज ले सके. अगर ये एक ही इसमें रीड करोगे तो फिर ना इसका मीनिंग समझ में आएगा और ना ही अच्छा लगेगा, राइट? ओके फाइन. सो आई थिंक इट इज क्लियर कि व्हाई एंड वेयर वी शुड यूज दिस बट. अब बट का ही मीनिंग मतलब यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है? पर परंतु. सो सेम मीनिंग वी हैव दिस वर्ड ऑल्दो. हालांकि मैं तुम पे भरोसा करता हूँ लेकिन तुम मुझ पे नहीं करते. इफ वी वांट टू से दिस statements or if we want to show contrast situation, so we can use though although instead of this but conjunctions. Means we have to remove this but. So where we should use although? At the beginning or at the middle? Anywhere. Means at the beginning of the statement also you can use, or sometime, or it's depend on you. You can use at the middle of the sentence also. So let us use although or replace this statement with although. As I told you, use here although, THOUGH. First statement, first this your idea you can write over here. Although I trust you, comma. Comma is essential. You don't. The remaining sentence is you don't. See what changes we should do? Remove but and use although instead of but. And comma, let it remain over there, right? the next sentence. The exam was lengthy, but it was not difficult. हालांकि एग्जाम तो लेंदी थी, मतलब एग्जाम लेंदी थी, लेकिन कैसी नहीं थी, डिफिकल्ट नहीं थी. मीन्स इम्पोर्टेंस, मीन्स बोथ. वी आर गिविंग द इम्पोर्टेंस टू दी बोथ सिचुएशंस. ये भी सिचुएशंस हमारे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट थी, ये भी सिचुएशन हमारे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है, राइट. लेकिन अगर हमें इससे ज्यादा इसको इम्पोर्टेंस देना है सेकेंड को, देन यू कैन से ओवर देयर, यू कैन यूज ऑल्दो द एग्जाम वाज लेंदी, इट वाज नॉट डिफिकल्ट. हालांकि एग्जाम तो लेंदी थी, लेकिन डिफिकल्ट नहीं थी. सो राइट डाउन ऑल्दो the exam was lengthy, comma, don't use but because instead of but we are using this although. It was not difficult, right? So this way you can use although, right? Now already I have given although, right? Means but here we don't have any means but conjunction, so directly I used here although. Why? Because the same meaning is there, na, although and but. Lekin, see the one more word I have given, though. So this is the nickname. Do you have nickname? Yes, everybody has nickname. So here although also has its nickname. Which one? Though, THOUGH, though it has nickname. So see, although's meaning also pan parantu, and those meaning also same pan parantu, like a but, right? But we are giving importance only one situation, right? हमें सिर्फ एक ही situation को क्या करना है, importance देना है. See here example की, although the country is progressing, हालांकि country progressing मतलब progress तो कर रही है, the corruption has not reduced, फिर भी क्या नहीं हुआ है, corruption reduce, कम नहीं हुआ है. So instead of although you can use though over there. Listen now, 10th standard students, 9th standard students. See, this is very essential for you because they will give you like this sentence and they will ask you ki rewrite sentence by using although or though. They will give suppose that ki they give you this statement, I trust you but you don't, and they ask you ki rewrite this statement by using although or though. So how will you use? Like this. And if they have given this statement, then if they ask you ki rewrite this statement with the using of though, then we should change this. Instead of although we should write there though, THOUGH, though the country is progressing, though the country is progressing, comma, the corruption has not reduced, the corruption has not reduced, right? Has not reduced. See, this way you can use although and though. I think this is clear to you how to use though and although. And see, if they have given this sentence कि though the country is progressing, the corruption has not reduced, कि हालांकि country तो progressing कर रही है लेकिन corruption कम नहीं हुआ है. And if they ask replace or rewrite this statement by the using but, then you can use but where? See, the country is progressing but the corruption has not reduced, right? In between you can use over there but. Okay, I think this is clear to you. Now it's your turn. Watch this video again and again. Just try to solve more examples. Thank you. Bye bye.